Take a Look at Teaching Club at both Mendon and Sutherland high schools provides Pittsford students opportunities to explore a possible career in teaching through hands-on experiences and insightful discussions on the diverse roles within the fields of education. As part of the program, 11th grader Ronak had the opportunity to shadow Mrs. Hausler Rojas at Park Road Elementary School to see what a day in the life of a teacher would be like.
Taking a look at Teaching Club definitely helps me decide what I want to do, because it gives me a little window and insight just for a day of different grades, different teachers, different styles, different kids, different settings. It just gives me an insight of what I could look to as a teacher. So it's just a great program. In this way, my love and good wishes will be in the blanket forever. Now watch. 10 stitches up to the top of the mountain. Add 1 stitch, 9 stitches down to the bottom of the valley.
I just have to say, I'm so proud of Ronak, because did you hear the voice he was using? The inflection, when he was reading, it was very pleasing to the ear. He has come so far since 5th grade. Best part about teaching at Pittsford School is my students. I love the kids that I teach and that I work with.